now this is one of the run cycles that I created, and it is on 11. I mean, it's an 11 frame run cycle, which is not relevant here, but so to export the animation, what I do is I just select everything. Make sure you don't select the geo and geometry, whatever you want to call it. So make sure you don't select it. Select every controller that has the animation on it. What I do is just a general, it's a good practice that I select every controller, and then so this is the animation that I already made or already copied. So when you click on the plus icon, it opens a folder. If you want to make a folder just to organize it. So that's what I did here. I made a folder and named it Jinx Run, and then again clicked on the add icon and then animation, and then I selected animation. When you're going to select the animation thing, you just got to put in your range, and then you gotta save the animation, name it as well, whatever you want to name it, and just give a thumbnail if you want to give a thumbnail for it. And then when you when you go to some other scene, for example, let me just create a new scene, and alright, that is okay. Just let me just open a new scene. Yeah, don't save it. Let me just reference the rig, which is, where are you? Documents. So my projects, rigs, Jinx. Now that I have the rig over here, let me just turn on the textures so it's a little bit easier and it looks a little nice. So what I'll do is just turn off this geo selection button. Also, I'll just turn this joint off so that I can select everything. Open Studio Library again. Just go to the folder where you saved your animation and make sure you select namespace, the correct namespace. It appears here, and just click apply, and done. This is how it works. Let me know if you're still facing any problems. One problem that you might encounter could be because of the values of the geo controller. Sometimes you might want to paste the animation, but the rig is somewhere here, not entirely centered or at 0. So what you want to do is, when you paste the animation, you got to deselect this and select every other controller, but deselect the global controller like this, so that it will paste the entire animation of every other controller but this geo controller. And that is how you can paste the animation.